Are you ready to master Exchange Server 2025 and connect your organization to the hybrid cloud confidently? Hello, I am Vikas, the face behind the Techi Jack. After helping many organizations with Exchange deployment, I have built something powerful for you. I am really excited to invite you to the live training experience where you will learn everything from on-premises Exchange setup to seamless cloud integration with Microsoft 365. And that will be a real live hands-on, not just a theory. So whether you are upgrading your skills, migrating, or just getting started, this hands-on live training will guide you every step of the way. If you can master Exchange Server, you become the backbone of any organization's email infrastructure. Let's see what we will learn in this course. We will learn how to deploy and configure Exchange 2019 and 2025 from scratch, manage storage, databases, mailboxes, etc. We will learn the PowerShell automation for Exchange tasks. We will learn how to configure the client access such as Outlook on the web, MAPI and ActiveSync. We will learn the high availability solution for Exchange such as load balancing. We will implement the robust disaster recovery, configure the mail flow, transport rules and message security. We are going to secure it with edge transport, anti-spam and RBAC. Therefore, you will see the real hybrid setup with Microsoft 365. We will migrate the real mailboxes using the hybrid migration tool. Basically, we are combining two Microsoft courseware, that is 20345 1B and 20345 2B. The one is administration of Exchange Server and the another one is designing and deployment of Exchange. Additionally, we are adding this hybrid migration to this. Who can do this course? A beginner wanting real hands-on knowledge, a system admins planning for a cloud migration, an IT student targeting certifications, professionals confused with hybrid setups. Also, what are the prerequisites you should have? You should have the basic understanding of Active Directory installation and configuration. You should be familiar with Active Directory sites, aware of local and public DNS, familiar with the port forwarding and Hyper-V. Therefore, if you are not familiar with these above skills, not to worry, we will still learn it, but we are more focused on the Exchange on-premises here. What makes this course different? We will be understanding the concept in a proper way. There will be a live interactive and the practical based session focused on the production ready skills. You will be provided the pre-written useful scripts to configure and manage your Exchange server. Future help and assistance will be provided. Assurance to run your own Exchange environment confidently. So secure your seat. Spots are limited and I only take a small batch to maintain the quality and personal support. Check the Google form link in the description. Fill the form and submit it. Course will be started once 10 to 15 seats are occupied. The language support will be English and Hindi. Let's talk about the training fee as well. As it's a live training that needs the proper resources such as powerful server, proper bandwidth, public IP, power backup, real domain names, VPN and other infrastructure in a place. Keeping all things in mind and reducing it to the lowest level, the fee in INR is 18,000 per seat that can be paid via any mode by scanning QR code. Therefore, overseas payment will be accepted via PayPal by sending invoice. Training will be held over the Teams meeting or it can be with the Google Meets. And the timing will be set according to majority of preference in the form filled. Don't miss it. Boost your skills and transform your career. Let's build your Exchange career step by step together. Join the live Exchange server training. Fill the form and enroll now. I assure you, you will manage and maintain your Exchange server confidently.